Hi, we're starting work on both Mercedes. No screaming monkeys were harmed during this video, even though that's exactly what this car sounds like. Honestly, it sounds better than it drives, if that's even possible. I had to see what's been buried here. It ain't pretty. Front seats are different from the rear seats and none match the door cards, because of course. Anyone know how to put a keychain on a plier? We need parts and money. So this wagon is getting sacrificed for the greater broke good. This is the result. Maybe we can save it. But the budget? Yeah, she's in intensive care. The rear seat screws on the W124 wagon were installed by Satan's direct supervisor. I'm sure of that. Careful. This job will cause flashbacks. We keep what's rare, sell what's not. Hopefully this covers 20% of what the sedan needs. Optimism not included. I had a guy on Facebook asking me if I still have the rear door cards, so I took them off because they wouldn't fit on my sedan anyway. And for the windows I had another guy that needed them, so at least they will go to a better place. Here's what we're keeping. No refunds, no regrets. Also, we will keep from the wagon the front seats because they match the door cards from the sedan. But I will need to repair the driver's seat because it has a huge hole on the left side. From a galaxy far, far away, it still looks like crap, but it's savable. Most damage is on the passenger side, right here. Come back next week. We'll hit the Golf and the Audi finally touches road again. Or not, we'll see.